Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today on Thursday. It's Thursday, July the 18th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, and the Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 Jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cypher Block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will start with these 3 regular puzzles. And the news of today, well, this evening there's a Republican National Convention, yeah. And Trump will speak after, he's been shot this week in his ear, so he will speak at this convention. Alright, I'm not a fan of Trump, but well, I'm curious what he will say on this convention. Let me see. I need some space here for solving this puzzle. Come on. Yeah. Right, this one. The 3 star Sudoku number 8919. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 28 printed digits. That's a lot. Should be at 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, need to be faster than 40, maybe 30 minutes. Well, it's indicated with the 3 stars by the publisher. For a 3 stars, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number I can pick. How about? Yeah. We have a 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left. The 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1. 1. Well. Wait. Come on. 1. Need an 8 here. Need a 1 here. Could be a 1 there. Come on. This is taking too long. 8. Need a 4 here. In this column, we have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers in this column are the numbers 4 and 6. We have 4 and 6 in this big square, so no 4 and 6 in these 2 boxes. 4 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 6. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright, and now Now. Alright. Let me see. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 5. We have a 9 and a 5 in the third row. No 9 and 5 in these 2 boxes. 9 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So what are the other numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in this box. 4 in the third column, no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. The 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes, and there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers are 1. We have 1 in the middle row. No 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and 3, we have 7 now in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright. Then. Need a 2 here. Okay, 2 numbers left in this column. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. And the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Alright. And now 4. Need a 9 here. 1 in the last row. 1 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row. 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can't see. Digit number 1. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3. Alright. Then, let me see. Need a 4. We have an 8 in the last column. 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. We have an 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 in the second row, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first column. 8 in the third column, so the column between set column, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. We have an 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 in the row above, no 8 there. Only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 8. Alright, and now 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. In this row, middle row, we need a 6. 4 missing numbers. Need a 6. Here can be 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. Here can be 6. We have 6 in the last column, no 6 there. Here can be 6. We have a 6 in the column next, no 6 there. The only place left for 6 in this row should be there. Alright. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright. Then need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. Okay. Let me see. Two numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column, so the third column. Only 2 places left of the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, need a 9 here. Well. How about? Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Okay. 9, 5, and need a 7 here. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only 2 places left of 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Need a 7 here. And I need a 7 there, here. 9 and a 5 and a 2, okay. Need a 9 here. Need a 2 there. I need a 4. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing number in the middle row is number 4. Here can be 4, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. Here can be 4, we have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. So the only place left for 4, A should be there. So 2 numbers left in the middle row. 4 numbers, the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, 2 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 3 and a 7. Cannot fill this yet. No, cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. About these 2 missing numbers in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in the second row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 9 and a 5, we have a 5 now in the second row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between. Only place left of 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, so last row. Only 2 places left of 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 1 box left now in this row. Last row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 in this row. 7 in the last row. So the row between. The only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the first column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 and a 3. We already have a 7 in this big square. So no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 5, no 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow. Zero stars? Well. Maybe a 1 star. We solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.